welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be talking to you guys right now, and I'm even more excited for this lower body workout that I want to share with you guys. This is a lower body workout, but it's going to be more booty focused, but we will also be working the quads, the hamstrings, the calves, all of that. Okay, yeah, so I am so geeked up right now because I'm on pre-workout. I'm excited to be talking to you guys again, and yeah, I think that I am more comfortable doing home workouts, but for like muscle building and stuff like that, I kind of need the gym. So when I do have a chance to do home workouts, I'm super happy about it because I get to blast my music on my stereo. I don't have anybody watching me, taking pictures of me, guys. I'm gonna do a story time one day about me and these people that take pictures of me in the gym, which is like, so yeah, so I am excited to share this with you guys. Literally, where's my band? Let me get my band. I got this band off of Amazon. This band here is great. The cloth bands are 10 times better than the rubber bands. The rubber bands, on the other hand, they give you a lot more leeway, but I guess it's good to just like alternate the two of them. But this here is super, super strong, and I really recommend the cloth band over the rubber bands. So yeah, guys, without further ado, grab your water. If you need some energy, go grab some pre-workout or do some jumping jacks or something like that. We're gonna get stretched up and we are gonna be starting on the booty exercises. All right, so first we're going to be starting off with some glute activation exercises. This is going to warm up the booty. We are going to be doing some donkey kicks. We are making sure that the back is straight, our elbows are locked, and we're going all the way down and all the way up with the feet. Next, we're doing some pulsing donkey kicks. These are very similar to the regular donkey kicks, but instead you're not going all the way down with your leg and your elbows are to the floor, making sure that you squeeze the entire time while you're doing this. Also, the last glute activation exercises are leg circles. I don't have much to say, but these things hurt. If I was your girl. Sit down for like 30 minutes because I was so out of breath. I'm just like, hey guys, welcome back. How was the workout? So yeah, now that I kind of got my heart rate back down to kind of its normal rate, I can now do this outro with you guys, and I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you had fun. I hope you burned some calories, got your heart pumping. At-home workouts are super, super good, especially like I said in the beginning. If you don't have a gym membership, if you're not really too comfortable in the gym, you know, you're trying to introduce your body to different movements and different exercises, home workouts are perfect. I started off by doing home workouts, and let me know what muscle group you would like to see me do next time, whether it's upper body, full body, you want to see just butt only, just quads only, waist, abs, anything, just let me know and I will make that video for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video, and have a blessed day.